Natin patatagalin, partner. Tinatawagin ang ating ikasyam.
Yes.
Ikasyam na
Girls
kalahok. Len Santos.
LGBT kompleto
Len
na.
Santos pala, Len Santos.
Ay, magaling nyo.
Oo. Nagmula sa Bay Breeze.
Yes. Magaling ka. Narinig ka, boss, kung araw nito. Ewan ko lang ngayon, ha? I have love. Anong awitin nyo mo? Ano mo?
Kinakabahan ka, ma'am, no? Kinakabahan ka na.
Ma'am, kinakaman ko kayo.
Medyo basa na malamig eh.
Nahawakan mo agad. Nandiyan asawa niya, ha? Ma'am
Hindi,
Le,
maghawak ng mic eh.
taga saan? Anong street po kayo?
Dito talaga ako sa Waling-Wali. 6.
O, waling-waling daw. Tapos lumipit ng bibrig, DJ!
Ay, pumapalak pa ka, taga-waling-waling ka.
Kunti lang. Ayan.
Alright, once again, Barangay Wawa, our 9 contestant sa ating Video Okay Challenge.
Yes.
Para sa awiting I Have Nothing, palakpakan natin, Miss Len Santos.
This song is brought to you by Epic Kitchen. Buttered chicken.
Take me for a while. 'Cause I've never changed all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much. Just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't come. I won't hold you back again. This passion inside, I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. You don't make me go wrong. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms, take it out. You'll stay there. Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. You see through, right through the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love.
once again, Miss Len Cantos, pare 97. Ah,
Ma'am, matanong kayo. Dati taga-wali-wali kayo, lumipat kayo yung Bebris. Hindi po ba nababayaran yung bahay niyo doon? Talagang lumalagari pa kayo dito. Grabe. Oo. Nakita nyo? Oy! Ang napanood nyo po ay video okay, King and Queen. Pero,
Teka. Shoutout muna kay Nanay Julie
Uy,
Santos, ha?
Ah.
Isa sa ating mga sponsor
Oh,
na
Nanay
major prizes. Siya po yung
pagpalain ka.
nanay ni paring John na nasa
Oh.
abroad. No?